Welcome to Off-Grid Roots, a channel dedicated to off-grid living, self-sufficiency, and sustainable homesteading. For thousands of years, long before modern medicine existed, people relied on the natural world to stay healthy. Many plants were used not only as food, but also as powerful natural remedies. In fact, several plants mentioned in the Bible were known for their healing properties and were used in everyday life for centuries. Today, many of these same plants are still valued in herbal medicine and natural lifestyles around the world. In this video, we will explore 20 biblical plants that have been traditionally used for health and healing, and learn why these ancient plants are still relevant today. If you enjoy learning about natural living, herbal knowledge, and homesteading, make sure to subscribe to Off-Grid Roots for more videos like this.
Number 1. Olive tree. The olive tree is one of the most important plants mentioned throughout the Bible and has been valued for thousands of years. In ancient times, olives and olive oil were considered essential resources for daily life. Olive oil was commonly used for cooking, lighting lamps, caring for the skin, and even for ceremonial anointing. This simple oil provided nourishment, warmth, and healing. From a health perspective, olive oil contains healthy fats and powerful antioxidants that help support heart health and reduce inflammation in the body. It has also traditionally been used to protect the skin and support wound healing. The olive tree is known for its incredible longevity. Some olive trees can live for hundreds or even thousands of years. Because of this, the olive branch has long been a symbol of peace, endurance, and renewal. Today, olives remain one of the most widely used natural foods in the world. Number 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is one of the most well-known healing plants in the world, and its use dates back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations valued this plant for its powerful soothing and restorative properties. The thick, clear gel found inside aloe vera leaves has long been used to treat burns, cuts, and skin irritation. When applied to the skin, the gel creates a cooling effect that helps reduce inflammation and promote faster healing. In traditional herbal practices, aloe vera was often used to protect the skin from harsh environmental conditions, such as intense sun and dry climates. Many cultures also believed that aloe vera helped cleanse and nourish the skin naturally. Beyond skincare, aloe vera has also been used to support digestion and overall wellness. The plant contains natural compounds that may help soothe the stomach and support healthy digestion. Today, aloe vera is widely used around the world in natural medicine. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic has been valued as both a food and a natural medicine for thousands of years. In ancient cultures, it was believed to provide strength, protection, and resistance against illness. Garlic contains natural compounds such as allicin, which are known for their antibacterial and antiviral properties. These compounds help support the body's immune system and may assist the body in fighting infections. For generations, garlic has also been used to support heart health. It may help maintain healthy blood pressure and support proper circulation. In traditional diets, garlic was commonly used to flavor food while also providing natural health benefits. For people living close to nature or practicing self-sufficient lifestyles, garlic is still one of the easiest and most powerful medicinal plants to grow in a garden. Its strong aroma and natural healing properties make it a valuable plant in both cooking and natural wellness traditions. Number 4. Onion. Onions have been cultivated and used by humans for thousands of years. They were an important food source in ancient societies and were valued not only for their flavor, but also for their nutritional benefits. Onions contain antioxidants and sulfur compounds that help protect the body from inflammation and oxidative stress. Traditionally, onions were believed to help strengthen the immune system and support respiratory health. In some cultures, onion-based remedies were used to help relieve coughs and congestion. Onions are also known to support digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. Because they grow easily in many climates and store well for long periods, onions have long been a staple crop for communities focused on self-sufficiency and food preservation. Even today, onions remain one of the most widely used vegetables in kitchens around the world. Number 5. Fig tree. The fig tree holds a special place in biblical history and ancient agriculture. Figs were an important food source because they were easy to grow and rich in nutrients. Figs contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support digestive health and provide natural energy. In traditional diets, they were often eaten fresh or dried for long-term storage. In ancient times, figs were also used as natural remedies. Some traditions describe figs being applied to the skin to help treat certain wounds or irritations. Because fig trees can thrive in warm climates with relatively little care, they were an important crop for early communities that depended on agriculture for survival. Today, figs are still appreciated for their natural sweetness, nutritional value, and versatility in cooking. For homesteaders and gardeners, fig trees remain a productive and resilient fruit tree. Number 6. Pomegranate. The pomegranate has been treasured for centuries for its vibrant color and powerful nutritional value. Inside each fruit are hundreds of small seeds known as arils, which contain juice rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants help protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals. Pomegranates have traditionally been associated with vitality, strength, and longevity. In ancient cultures, they were often seen as symbols of abundance and health. Modern research continues to explore the benefits of pomegranates for supporting heart health and healthy circulation. For people interested in natural diets and traditional foods, pomegranates represent a powerful example of how nature provides both nourishment and protection for the body. Number 7. Hyssop. Hyssop is an aromatic herb that appears several times in biblical texts, often in connection with purification rituals. This small flowering plant has long been used in traditional herbal medicine. Hyssop contains natural compounds that may help support respiratory health. In herbal traditions, it was often used to help relieve congestion and support clear breathing. The plant also has mild antibacterial properties and was historically used as part of cleansing practices. Because hyssop grows easily in dry climates, it was widely available to ancient communities. Even today, hyssop remains an interesting herb for gardeners and herbalists who are interested in traditional plant remedies. Number 8. Frankincense. Frankincense is a fragrant resin that comes from trees growing in desert regions. For thousands of years, it has been harvested and used in medicine, incense, and spiritual ceremonies. The resin is collected by making small cuts in the bark of the tree, allowing the sap to harden into golden droplets. Traditionally, frankincense has been used to support respiratory health and reduce inflammation. It has also been valued for its calming aroma, which is believed to help promote relaxation and mental clarity. Because of its rarity and value, frankincense was once considered one of the most precious natural substances in the ancient world. Number 9. Myrrh is another aromatic resin that has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine and spiritual practices. Like frankincense, myrrh is collected from desert trees where the sap naturally hardens into small resin pieces. Historically, myrrh was used as a natural antiseptic to help treat wounds and infections. Its antimicrobial properties made it useful for protecting the skin and supporting healing. Myrrh was also used in perfumes and incense due to its warm, earthy fragrance. Because of its healing qualities and rarity, myrrh was considered extremely valuable in ancient trade. Number 10. Mustard seed. Mustard seeds may be small, but they are incredibly powerful. These tiny seeds come from mustard plants that grow quickly and easily in many climates. Mustard seeds contain natural compounds that help stimulate digestion and improve circulation. In traditional herbal practices, mustard was sometimes used to create warming remedies that help support the body during cold weather. The mustard plant is also known for its resilience, often growing in challenging environments. Because of this, it has long symbolized strength, growth, and potential. Number 11. Mint. Mint is one of the most refreshing and widely used herbs in the world. For centuries, people have valued mint not only for its pleasant aroma and flavor, but also for its natural healing properties. In traditional herbal practices, mint has often been used to support healthy digestion. It can help calm the stomach, reduce nausea, and relieve feelings of discomfort after eating. Mint contains natural compounds that create a cooling sensation in the body, which is why it is often used in teas and herbal remedies designed to soothe the digestive system. Because mint grows easily in many environments, it has long been a favorite plant among gardeners and homesteaders who appreciate simple, natural remedies. Even today, mint remains a popular herb used in teas, natural medicines, and healthy recipes around the world. Number 12. Coriander. Coriander is another plant that has been valued for thousands of years. Both the seeds and the leaves of the coriander plant have been used in cooking and traditional medicine. Coriander seeds are known for supporting digestion and helping the body process food more efficiently. In herbal traditions, coriander was often used to help relieve stomach discomfort and support a healthy digestive system. The plant also contains antioxidants and natural compounds that may help the body remove toxins and maintain balance. Because coriander grows well in many climates and requires little care, it has been an important plant for communities that rely on home gardens and sustainable agriculture. Today, coriander remains a common ingredient in cuisines around the world while still offering natural health benefits. Number 13. Dill is a delicate herb known for its light, fresh flavor and its long history of use in herbal medicine. For centuries, dill has been used as a natural remedy for digestive issues. It is commonly known to help reduce bloating, calm the stomach, and ease feelings of gas or discomfort. In traditional remedies, dill seeds were sometimes brewed into herbal teas to help soothe the digestive system. Dill also contains antioxidants and nutrients that support overall health. Because the plant grows quickly and easily, it has been a valuable herb for home gardens and small farms. Even today, dill continues to be used both in cooking and in natural wellness traditions as a gentle and helpful digestive herb. Number 14. Cumin. Cumin is a small but powerful spice that has been used for thousands of years in both cooking and traditional medicine. The seeds of the cumin plant are rich in nutrients, including iron and antioxidants, which help support overall health. In many cultures, cumin has been used to stimulate digestion and help the body absorb nutrients more effectively. Cumin is also known for its warm, earthy flavor that enhances many dishes while providing natural digestive support. Because cumin plants are relatively easy to grow in warm climates, they have been an important crop in many ancient agricultural systems. Today, cumin continues to be valued as both a flavorful spice and a natural aid for digestive health. Number 15. Almond tree. The almond tree has long been admired for both its beauty and its valuable fruit. Almonds are packed with healthy fats, protein, vitamins, and minerals that support overall health. These nutrients help nourish the brain, strengthen the heart, and provide lasting energy. In traditional diets, almonds were often eaten as a nutrient-rich food that helped people stay strong and energized throughout the day. Because almond trees can grow in dry climates and produce highly nutritious food, they have been an important resource for communities practicing sustainable agriculture. Even today, almonds remain one of the most popular natural foods in the world, valued for both their flavor and their health benefits. Number 16. Date palm. The date palm is one of the most iconic trees of the Middle East and has been cultivated for thousands of years. Dates are naturally sweet fruits that provide a rich source of energy, fiber, and essential minerals such as potassium and magnesium. In ancient times, dates were often eaten during long journeys because they provided quick energy and were easy to store. Dates also support digestion and help provide the body with important nutrients needed for daily strength. For communities living in desert environments, the date palm was an incredibly valuable plant, that provided food, shade, and materials for building. Even today, dates remain an important and nutritious fruit enjoyed around the world. Number 17. Cedar tree. Cedar trees have been respected for their strength, durability, and natural protective properties. The wood of the cedar tree is naturally resistant to insects and decay, which made it highly valuable in ancient construction and building. Cedar also produces natural oils that contain antibacterial and antifungal properties. In traditional cultures, cedar oil was sometimes used in natural remedies and purification practices. The strong, pleasant aroma of cedar wood has also made it popular for use in storage chests and natural fragrances. Because cedar trees grow tall and live for many years, they have often symbolized strength, stability, and endurance.
Number 18. Balm of Gilead. The balm of Gilead was famous in ancient times as a powerful healing substance. It was made from the resin of certain trees and plants and was used as a soothing balm for wounds and skin conditions. Because of its healing reputation, the balm of Gilead became widely known throughout ancient regions. People believed it had strong restorative properties that could help protect the skin and support healing. Due to its rarity and effectiveness, this balm became highly valued and was often traded across different regions. Today, the name Balm of Gilead still symbolizes healing and comfort. 19. Wormwood. Wormwood is a bitter herb that has been used in traditional herbal medicine for centuries. Its strong flavor comes from natural compounds that are believed to support digestion and stimulate the digestive system. In many herbal traditions, wormwood was used to help cleanse the body and support internal balance. It has also been used in small amounts to help support appetite and digestion. Because wormwood is a hardy plant that can grow in challenging conditions, it has long been valued by herbalists and traditional healers. Although it is a powerful herb, it has traditionally been used carefully and in moderation. Number 20. Saffron. Saffron is one of the most valuable herbs in the world and has been prized for thousands of years. It comes from the delicate flowers of the saffron crocus, where each flower produces only a few strands of the precious spice. Because harvesting saffron requires careful handwork, it has always been rare and valuable. Saffron contains powerful antioxidants that help support overall health and protect the body from stress and inflammation. It has also been traditionally used to support mood and emotional well-being. Today, saffron continues to be treasured not only for its rich flavor and vibrant color, but also for its long history as a natural wellness herb.